Hello everyone and welcome to this massive build. The front end of this movie review app is built with TailwindCSS and the backend in other technologies, but we will begin with Django. So this is the home page of the app. You can sort your movies by the latest ones, which just sorts them according to the time they were added to the database, or by the most popular, which just sorts them according to the movies with the most reviews and comments. You can also filter them by the action, the categories, so whether for action, all the rest. And you can see at the top here also that there's a powerful search engine that can perform full and partial matching. So if we check for everything that has the word E in it, you see that it was super fast, and that means the algorithms are well optimized and kept very, very simple and fast. So everything that had E in it, if we go ahead and search for, say, ER, everything that has ER will pop up here very, very fast. And you can also see that if we hover over the card, the image here changes from grayscale to colored, and that is also a cool feature that we will soon implement. And so let us see what is on a review page. If I click here to review, it prompts me that it is only a privilege of registered users, so I must be logged in before I can use it, and this beautiful login page will let us do the login or the authentication. And so I click on login and I come here and I found out that the navbar has also changed. Now I can add a movie as a registered user and it will be saved to the database. I can also log out or access my profile page from here, which is just a simple page having the user's details and all the movies and the reviews that the user has made. And so let me go ahead and then go to the review page. Because I uploaded this video myself, I can edit the movie. That means this particular user code base uploaded this movie. If I go back and pick one at random, that's let me see. This one was not uploaded by Codebase, the currently authenticated user, so the edit you can see is gone. And here it has no review also, but the similar movies in that same category are listed here. So let me just give it a rating of, say, 9.1 and say nice movie. And then I see here that it has been added 0 minutes ago with a rating of 9.1, and automatically the rating has also been updated, which is just the average of 9.1 plus the one that was there by default. So we can do all of these things here, and I can delete this comment because I am the one who created it. If I log out now and then authenticate as a different user, and I come back to the same movie, you see that I can't delete this comment which was made by Codebase, but I can add my own also, and then I will see the options to update and delete over there. So now this one I'm allowed to delete it because I am the owner of it. So all of these stuffs in this build, we are going to learn how to implement all of this using the power of TailwindCSS for the front end and beginning with Django for the backend. And so in this build, we will learn responsive design with TailwindCSS, and we will also learn how to perform aggregate functions on Django models. We will also learn how to customize Django model forms and perform advanced query methods on Django models. Speaking of responsive design, the whole app is completely responsive for all screen sizes. You see that the sidebar vanished. This is a smaller screen size, and all the images are colored by default. It's only on the last screen that they come as grayscale, and so you can see that it's quite responsive on all screen sizes. All the pages are responsive. If I turn on my device here and choose any of the mobile phones here, maybe iPhone 12 Pro, so you can see that that is the app on iPhone 12 Pro. I can go to any page like this, and everything here is quite responsive on all screen sizes, all with the power of TailwindCSS. So if you like it already, just give us a thumbs up and meet me in the next video where we start building this from complete scratch.